In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and export a video in CapCut from start to finish. We'll move smoothly from opening your project to adding eye-catching effects like TV or nightclub, to polishing the essentials, and finally exporting a ready-to-share file. First, go to your CapCut project. Launch CapCut and open the project you want to work on. If you already have a timeline set up, great. Make sure the playhead is at the beginning so you can preview from the start. If it's a new project, the workspace should be clear and ready to receive your media, with the media bin on one side and the timeline below. Next, import your video. Click the import button or the plus icon and select your footage from your computer or device. You can also drag and drop files straight into CapCut if that's faster for you. Once your clips appear in the media bin, drag them onto the timeline in the order you want. If you see a prompt about matching project settings, choosing to keep your original resolution and frame rate is usually best for maintaining quality. Now edit your video with effects like TV or nightclub. Head to the Effects or Video Effects panel, then search for or browse to find options named TV or nightclub. Drag the effect onto your clip or place it on an effect track above the clip, depending on your layout. Adjust the intensity, duration, and style in the controls so it enhances your footage without overpowering it. Use the preview to check how the effect looks during motion, and fine-tune parameters like flicker strength, color shifts, or scan lines for TV, or lights, glow, and color pulses for nightclub. Subtlety often looks more professional. Edit other things necessary to your video so it feels complete. Trim or split clips to tighten the pacing. Adjust audio levels to avoid distortion, aiming for a clear, balanced sound. Add transitions where needed, keeping them short so they don't distract from the story. If your footage needs a lift, tweak brightness, contrast, and white balance for a consistent look. And consider light sharpening or stabilization if you notice shaky shots. Add text or captions where helpful, and check that any on-screen elements are clear and readable on both desktop and mobile screens. When you're happy, click on Export and you're done. Choose your resolution and frame rate to match your footage, set the quality or bit rate for a crisp result, and pick where to save the file. Hit Export, let it render, and your edited video is ready to share.